Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, or Karkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson I wanted to bring out. And this was recent. And this was an earthquake in western Montana. And this is a news article from xlcountry.com. And this was published by Jesse James as of January 30th, 2023. And it reads, people in western Montana rattled by unusual big earthquake. It says earthquake in Montana are fairly common. The Intermountain Semitic Belt extends throughout much of the western part of the state. Montana ranked 4 in the country for most seismically active states. It says on Monday, residents of Livingston, Montana, and the surrounding area reporting feeling an earthquake. According to the USGS, the quake happened at 12:28, a measure of 4.1 on a Richard scale. The epicenter of the quake was located 6 miles northwest of Livingston. The quake was felt in Livingston, Belgrade, Bozeman, Big Timber, and the Shield Valley. No injuries have been reported. It says the Livingston Air Chamber posts the following question on Facebook on Monday afternoon. Several residents in the area, Salakia for that. It says several residents in the area reporting feeling the earthquake. Michael said, rattled our dishes on Old Clyde Park Road. Dented said that was a bit job. Desiree said, oh, I thought it was the trains. Well, yeah, it was an earthquake. It says the magnitude 4.1 earthquake is the largest reported in Livingston area in the past 10 years. In 2019, an earthquake that measured 2.4 the Richter scale was reported in Livingston. It says 2019 was a very active year when it comes to seismic activity. Manhattan was shaken by several earthquakes. A 4.0 magnitude earthquake was the largest reported in the area. It says the largest earthquake in Montana history occurred in August 17, 1959. Well, that was a long time. It says a magnitude 7.5 earthquake caused a mountain to fall up near the Hebgen Lake and temporarily block a sector of the upper Madison River. You can learn more about devastating earthquakes at Earthquake Visitors Center.
I've been telling everyone, the secret to great teeth is having healthy gums. Crest Advanced Gum Restore detoxifies below the gum line and restores by helping
this is the biggest earthquake in the western part of Montana since 2019, and that was a 2.9 magnitude earthquake. Now with this latest one, it was a 4.1, and it reads, I'm gonna read it again. It says people in western Montana rattled by usual big earthquake. And this is the book of Luke. Yeah, these earthquakes in diverse places definitely increasing. And this is the book of Luke chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven," right? Because we're seeing the increasing of the earthquakes in diverse places. And the pestilence, that's two different type of pestilence in two different categories. With the weather conditions, with the heavy rains, heavy floodings, heavy storms, heavy tornadoes, tsunamis, floods, etc. You name it. And the other one, the pestilence, that's like the plagues, the disease, etc. You name it. Cause so those two different type of plagues and pestilence. And the pestilence with the weather condition. So we're definitely seeing a uptick of increases of these high number of magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places. As we see, uh, this earthquake was recently from 12:28 p.m. earlier today, and this was a magnitude of a 4.1 earthquake. As it says, people in western Montana rattled by unusual big earthquake. And this is a big earthquake since 2019. And they said in history, in 1959, they had like a 7.1 earthquake. So from 1959 up to 7.1 earthquake, and from 2019 of a 2.9 earthquake. Now here in modern day times in 2023, now you have a 4.1 earthquake. So this has been the largest earthquake in western part of Montana, which is a 4.1 earthquake. So the scriptures did state and indicate that it was going to be a increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places, and we're going to continue to see that increase more and more and more. And so with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this news article that I just brought out, and along with the scriptures reference to this news article. And so with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.